I was blown away with the fuel table saw. It was excellent.
The new fuel table saw is great. When I first started using it, I was surprised it wasn't corded. I couldn't believe it was battery operated.
A lot of power. We could cut dimensional lumber, sheet goods. Excellent power. I like the rack and pinion fence. The capacity of the fuel table saw is excellent. It's still compact, but you can still use it in daily activities.
The fence is great, the rip fence is true. I like the dial-in adjustment on there on the fence for calculating your cuts.
The new 12.0 battery would definitely last a whole day of work.
We were able to rip dimensional goods, and we had plenty of run time throughout the day.
The new fuel table saw is definitely a job site tool to have. The mobility, the long-lasting battery, it's all there in one package.
Using the fuel table saw, I don't see a reason to even carry our corded table saw in the trailer anymore. This will meet all of our expectations in daily use.